This segment is brought to you by Exterior Source, providing all of your exterior remodeling needs since 1997. Welcome back to the coolest show in town. You know that our producers like to find things on social media and then have us do them. And today we're going to try a spring DIY. We also like to try to decorate our green room. It's very eclectic if you've ever seen it.
It's a big word.
That's right.
It's a collection of random stuff.
And with the three of us, we're going to create an amazing collection.
So we're going to try a spring wreath today. All you need is some stuff from the dollar store or Michael's. We have a blank wreath. Q is going to be the cutter, and Patricia and I are going to kind of split decorating responsibilities.
Somewhere there's a mother bird who is upset that her kids don't have a home. Where did y'all get
not
this from?
a nest.
It looks just like one. All right, so I'm doing what now?
Quincy, you are
You're gonna start cutting.
I'm cutting with. I got two choices here. I got some.
Okay.
I got some. And then I got some of these.
Somebody told Quincy that sound effects were fun.
All right, so I'm cutting.
Glue in my finger, yay.
All right, so y'all both got some glue over there. And how big of the pieces do you want? Because this is not what I get into, okay? Do it yourself, that's what it's called, DIY, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but you have to help.
Well, no.
So how many times, Quincy, you do things to decorate your home?
Not often.
Including Christmas?
Come on, yes.
Absolutely.
We know that for Christmas
One
you don't
thing,
do much.
including, you know what? Did y'all set me up as a man that can't cut a little bitty? Unbelievable. Okay. All right. So I need to make sure I cut. Boom. All right. So.
Okay, you are doing a great job.
You're doing a great job, Quincy. I need a round of applause for Q.
You take care of your garden or your house?
No, so
Not
you know
either?
what? My dog has destroyed any option to have any type of garden.
You're gonna blame 7 now?
Yes, I'm gonna blame him every single time.
Q, I thought you said previously that you're not a good gardener anyways.
Well, I said that, so y'all know I have struggles with squirrels, okay? Being in my yard. So I don't want to do anything that has to do with Mother Nature other than pick up 7's number 2s. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so
that
now,
is,
all right, so I got you about 4 of these.
Material.
I need a longer one. Can you do a longer one?
No,
Okay.
no.
Why not?
No, just use what
It's
I
not
have.
gonna be symmetrical.
Now, these
Do we need to
DIY
be symmetrical? I feel like art is not symmetrical.
these
Well,
DIY
not all the
projects.
time, but for me.
Look, see, I got you.
The projects?
Yeah, no, it's a DIY.
What are you
Like,
doing?
Yeah, just put that in your hair, cause that'll be perfect as it's in your hair. All right, and
Fantastic.
see, this is my problem. I am so.
Do I look like a fairy princess?
I am so ADD or ADHD that I'm not even paying attention to the thing. I'm just.
So what are you doing, Quincy?
just putting
Ashley, I know you have a garden. What are you growing in the garden this summer?
So, you know, we're in Virginia where there's the beginning of spring, but then you have like the second coming of winter. So we wait until we're sure that it's going to stay nice outside. Thanks, Quincy. Before we get everything going in our garden because we don't want everything to freeze. But we're going to be doing several different kinds of tomatoes. My favorite is a cherry tomato called a sun sugar. It's a tiny orange cherry tomato, and it is so sweet.
A sun sugar.
A sun sugar, and it grows really, really well in our zone here. So
Yummy.
it's perfect.
Super organic, of course.
And then we're gonna do all different kinds of peppers, some spicy peppers, some
This one here.
sweet peppers, some lunchbox peppers, some shishito peppers.
I need these ones.
Okay.
I know.
If you
All right,
don't
so-
know what a shishito pepper is, it's like
So-
spicy pepper roulette.
Here's the thing.
Okay.
Q, you are terrible at cutting.
Yes,
Well, you know, I
Quincy.
did.
You didn't do it right. Like I
Got
need
you.
more stuff.
All right, so here's the problem that I have, ladies. I was cutting and I put my hand on this, and now my hand is now
Oh
stuck.
my God! So
My hand is stuck
let's
to the-
show how far we went through.
Oh my God, he's not kidding.
Oh my gosh! No, this is the center, like at the
He's
corner,
not
like
kidding.
that, like that.
You stuck
me this.
my hand on this.
Okay,
So this
you
can
know,
now
guys-
hang on the door with